Welcome everyone. This topic is totally based on girl child and women power. We know from ancient this problem. Problem? Yes, we can tell it a problem only. लड़कियां आफत की पुड़िया होती है. This thought we are hearing from generation to generation. But why? Girls is a problem? From ancient till now, girls are only suffering. All the restrictions for girls only. Hey, don't go anywhere at night. Don't sit here. Don't walk like this. Don't talk like this. Don't wear such types of dress. Why, and why? All the don'ts for girls only? As a girl, sometimes I also have this question. Now, also, though the situation may be different, but problem is same. In ancient, technology was not so advanced. Parents can't check or test mother wombs. So, female babies were killed after birth. We heard many stories related this. But now, female babies are killed in mother's womb. That means girl's life is in danger not only after birth but before birth also. This poem is a voice against female foeticide. Now first I will read the poem. The girl child brightens the home, yet the parents ignorant go for female foeticide. The doctors endanger 2 female lives. A female mom kills the female child. Here the poet want to tell, जी जरा सोच के देखो कि एक छोटी सी बच्ची पायल पहन के घर भर में चुन चुन करके चल रही है. We are imagining and felt happy. और वो सच में चली तो wow, what a great feeling. Girls give brightness means वो उजाला देती है, वो हमारे जीवन में उजाला से भर देती है. Then also some parents because of their lack of knowledge do female foeticides. Doctors दो जिंदगी दाव पे लगा देते. एक माँ अपनी ही बच्ची को मारने की गुनहगार बन जाती है. Second stanza. Save the girl child, make her bold and not mild. She has the power to search. She means celebrations, not deeds. In this stanza, poet want to tell all parents that though girls' life are in danger, then also save your daughter. और उनको खाली बचाना नहीं है, उनको बोल्ड भी बनाना है, नाजुक कली नहीं, क्योंकि she has the power to surge, आगे बढ़ने की शक्ति है. She means celebrations and not any sad song. Third stanza. Let's see. A girl child brings joy. She is no less than your boy. Her every step takes the family forward. Don't try your strength on her like a coward. जो गर्ल चाइल्ड is also bring joy जैसे बॉय चाइल्ड देता है, and she is no less than your boy, वो बॉय से किसी भी फील्ड में कम नहीं है. Her every steps means उसका हर एक कदम, उसका हर एक एफर्ट फैमिली को आगे बढ़ाती है. So don't give any physical and mental trouble to any girl like a coward. डरपोक जैसे अपने गुस्सा उन पे मत दिखाओ. Next, fourth stanza. There is joy, there is mirth with ignorant girl on the earth. Let each girl child bloom, bring happiness and lift the gloom. Here poet want to tell When an innocent girl child took birth, everywhere is full of joy and happiness on earth. So, let's that girl child bloom, उसे खिलने दो. हमारी झोली खुशियों से भरने दो और उदासी निराशा को हटाने दो. Last stanza. My daughter is my pride. She can fly, she can glide. She can discover, invent and create. Love and respect her. Don't berate. Poet told in last stanza that daughter should be pride of every parents. हर parents की वो गर्व है. Because वो खाली उड़ नहीं सकती, वो खोज कर सकती है, आविष्कार कर सकती है और उत्पन्न कर सकती है. So give her respects, love and care to every girl. Some ill effects are there of female foticides. Accept life, refuse female foticides. Next, don't kill a girl, let her see world. Next, he cannot exist without she. So, through this poem, poet had given a wonderful suggestions that stop female foticides. Without female, there will be no male. No girl, so no mother. Ultimately, no life. In this poem, poet had given a message that stop female foticide. Everybody understood the poem? Thank you for watching. Bye.